Hugging a tree can literally recharge your nervous system and expand your aura, not metaphorically, biologically, electromagnetically, and energetically. When you hug a tree, you're making direct contact with one of the most stable bioelectrical systems in nature. Trees are grounded deep into the earth, constantly channeling electrons upward, while also absorbing sunlight, water, and atmospheric charge. Your body, made of conductive water and minerals, begins to entrain with that energy. Your heart rate slows, cortisol drops, and your nervous system shifts from fight or flight into parasympathetic calm. This is when your electromagnetic field, the one your heart emits, becomes more coherent, more expansive, and more magnetic. Studies have shown that contact with trees releases phytoncides, plant compounds that boost immune function and reduce stress hormones. But beyond the biology,